Hi guys, VDRC here, back with a vid, guys. So I'm gonna install this Exotek slash drag bumper set for the two-wheel drive slash street eliminator, part number 1999. All right, again, it's part number 1999, 1999. All right, I'm gonna put it onto my son's car first. It's been my first time trying to install one of these guys. So I get some tools out, see what I'm gonna need. All right, let's get the packet open. I should have got a scissors before I started. Got your foam bumper right here. Then you have carbon fiber plates. You got yourself a little Exotek sticker here. All right, real nice quality carbon fiber plate. You got some carbon fiber washers. That's pretty cool. I think you see it. Like carbon fiber washers. You got some screws, spacers, little hardware. All right, I guess you have your mount back here. All right, checking out the packet, guys. All right, got your packet right here. Got your mount. Real nice quality. All right, and you have your little instructions here. All right. Guess you could mount your body posts. It looks like through there as well. So we'll see how it goes, guys. All right. So it says step. So basically, number one, attach blue plate to the bottom of the slash bulkhead using 2 M4 screws. Blue plate, I guess it goes in here. And it shows you underneath the car. Pretty much goes like that. And you attach the carbon fiber front piece to the front. Body off. All right. So I have to remove the old one. Old hardware. I need to clean my son's car up, man. It's a little dirty. It's not too bad, but it could use a little bit of a cleaning. This has had an RPM bumper on there. Got that. They got the washers and everything, guys. Let me show you the washers again. We got a carbon fiber like cutouts. It's pretty cool. All right. I know I might butcher this, but we will figure it out together. So when you guys install one, at least you can see from my mistakes here trying to do one right now and see what not to do. All right, so I got the bottom plate mounted. All right, and it says number 2, attach carbon fiber plate to the alloy plate using 3 M3 screws. All right, 3 M3 screws. So be those smaller ones. These and the plate here. I don't think it matters. Okay, so one side is a little bit like rounded off, which will go in the bottom. If you look, one side is a little rounded off at the end, the other side is pretty flat. So this side goes towards the bottom. Okay? So you got these 3 screws. And it goes through here and then it threads through. And then the blue plate, the blue Exotek mounting plate already has threads through it. So this basically threads right into the blue plate. I should have used some blue Loctite, but just for this video purpose, just trying to get it done for the first time, I'm not going to use Loctite right now, but I will come back and add some once I get everything pretty much situated. So I would recommend you guys use a little blue Loctite. Alright. So now, we basically established the base right now of the front bumper. And so far, I'm going to say I really do like how it's going together. The directions is pretty simple, real nice. That's what it looks like so far. Alright. So then now, note this side is beveled, so they pretty much tell you what I just told you guys. Alright, so 3 attached alloy post using 3 M3 screws. Alright, so you got more screws here. And then we have these long posts. Alright, so basically going outside here. Now in the post, it is threaded. It is threaded. Not sure you can see it, but it's threaded in there. Alright, so I guess I'll flip it back on its side. Alright, and I put the screw through the bottom. And again, you can use some blue Loctite as well. But just for the first time mounting this up, I'm just going to just not use Loctite yet, but I will go back and add it once I see how everything comes together. And hopefully by the time you see this video, you can watch it once through. That way you know what you need, and you can just do it all at once. I mean, so far it's pretty straightforward, pretty easy. I think I'm not butchering it too bad. So we should be all right in that aspect so far. All right, one more. I'm trying to figure out where do I use those carbon fiber little washers, but we'll see. I mean, technically you can mount this up without it being on the car. Might be a little easier too, without starting with these 2 screws here. Just leave it off and just start with the top plates and all that stuff. But I'm just gonna go based on the directions. And that's step 3. Flip it over. All right. Step 4, attach the foam bumper. Don't think it makes a difference which direction you put it in. All right. So, dirt off of there. Press it down through. All right. And then this is where we use these carbon fiber washers. And in the diagram, it shows you can use the 2 outer posts here in the front to relocate like a body post, body mounts and stuff like that, which is pretty cool. All right, so, and this is pretty much it, guys. It's a pretty simple kit. I really like the directions. It's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. It's step by step real detailed. All right. And this is it. Last screw, and I'm done with this kit, guys. That is it, guys. Also, if you look in directions, it said you can add body posts, and then also you can cut the foam based, depends on the body you have. You can trim the side of the foam. So again, this is what it looks like. My son's car, get his side profile. All right. Let me put his, the body on, see if it would fit with this Octane body on a 2-wheel drive Slash. If I have to do any trimming of the body or the foam bumper. Actually, no, it fits perfect under there with the Octane body, guys. No flex at all. It's perfect with the Octane body. So that's pretty much it, guys. Got the Exotek Slash bumper set on my son's 2-wheel drive drag Slash. And again, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.